cold? Oh, Lord.
Don't touch it. Leave your hands inside. Yeah, help. We're crossing the road. Yeah. There's penguins over there.
It's so cold out here, I'm telling you. Fingers and my toes, it's damn near frozen.
Look over here. Who's that? Who's that right there?
This is the Polar Express train ride at the Cincinnati Zoo.
Look out this way. There's lots of school lights out that way on the lake. Bud. All the lights are on this side. Look at the big trees. Can you hear the music? The lights are timed to the music. See you near bottom. Thank you. Oliver, stay inside the car. Sit on your butt and stay inside. Can you wave? Duckies over there. Back there.
chill. You over here freezing like a mug. That's so pretty though.
Reserved early. We're gonna stop in the tree. Look in the tree. We were coming back into the station. Coming back into the station. See those?
You wait. Super.
Alright, we're going back into the station again.
Lord, it's so cold out here, y'all. Oh my God. It's freezing. Gotta go somewhere where it's warm. Alrighty, let's end of our tour. It's so pretty out here though. Oh my goodness, all these lights. I love lights. So beautiful. Alrighty. Merry Christmas, everybody.